How is it going everybody, Mr. Android here. Welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. Today I'm gonna show you some really convenient and helpful Samsung tips, tricks and hidden features that you should know about. As always, you'll learn something new and useful in this video, so stay tuned and watch it till the very end. Also, let's aim for at least 1000 likes on this one. With that said, drop a like, leave a comment and let's get started. Now if you look at my home screen, you'll notice that I've got 7 of my favorite applications in the dock for quicker access. By default, Samsung only allows you to add up to 5 applications, but I was able to add more with the help of GoodLock. To do this on your phone, you will need to install GoodLock from the Galaxy Store, and once that is done, simply open and install the HomeHub module from the list. Now go inside HomeHub, select home screen, and here you can easily configure the favorites count. It is set to 5 by default, but you can change and add up to 9 applications in your dock. Not only this, you can also change the home screen and app screen grid. You can go up to 7 by 7, which is possible only by using the GoodLock app on your phone. Next, if you use your earphones quite a lot while listening to your favorite music or just to answer your phone calls, then there is an important setting that you need to configure right now. All you need to do is just go into your settings, sounds and vibration. Here when you scroll down, you get this option called sound quality and effects. Now just click on this option that says adapt sound. Samsung phones can actually tweak the sound output to most optimum levels and provides you with the best listening experience. So all you have to do is just connect your earphones and go through this simple test. It will play some sounds and you just need to answer some basic questions. Once you are done, it will create a sound profile specially for you to deliver the best possible sound output. Guys, I will highly recommend you to configure this setting. I think the difference is quite noticeable. Next, if you love playing games on your phone, then this next feature is definitely going to improve your phone's battery. So just before you start gaming, plug in your charger and then open the notification panel. Here you will find something called as Tap to Open Game Booster. Simply open and click on this gear icon. Here you will see an option that says pause USB power delivery. It is disabled by default. You need to go ahead and turn it on. Once done, now you can go back and start gaming. What it does is, it supplies power directly to your system and the battery is not being charged, which means less heat will be generated from the device and that results in better gaming performance. Again, a very useful feature that you need to enable, especially when you're playing games on your phone, so your device will not have any heating issues, and it's great for your phone's battery as well. So the next hidden feature is available inside Samsung Internet application. Let me just open Samsung Internet, and if I want to search for any of the images, for example, let's search for cars. I simply need to click on images, and here we got the pictures of different cars. Now what I'm gonna do is, I'll just press and hold on this image and I get this brand new option at the bottom that says clip image from background. If I click on it, it basically removes the subject from the background and you can easily save the PNG file directly from the Samsung Internet. Some of you might already know that Samsung added this image clipper feature in the gallery for the release of One UI 5.1, but now you can use this amazing feature directly inside the Samsung Internet. Now you can easily remove the background of any image while you are browsing, and the best part is it works on any website. So be sure to check this one out. Next, let me show you how to add the current date and month information right here on the status bar. By default, it only shows the current time in the status bar, but if you really want to add some more information, so you don't have to open the quick settings just to check what date it is, all you need to do is simply open GoodLock, and this time you need to install the QuickStar module. Now go inside QuickStar, select clock settings, and here you need to enable this option called show date. Not only this, if you want the quick panel to show the clock with seconds indicator, then you can enable that as well. Guys, by using this GoodLock module, you can easily add or remove icons from the status bar. If you use the Samsung keyboard, then there is an amazing way to quickly write down anything without the need of typing. Just press and hold on the space bar and it's gonna type anything that you say. Now to get this feature on your phone, make sure you are using the Samsung keyboard. Then go into settings, select swipe, touch and feedback, and then go inside touch and hold spacebar. By default it is set to cursor control. You need to change it to voice input. Another setting you need to do is, you need to change the input language as per your preference. That's it. Now whenever you want to write something, just long press on the spacebar and it's gonna type whatever you say. Now let's say you want to share pictures with people who are not around you and you also don't want to compromise on quality. Then there is a great way to do that on your Samsung phone. All you need to do is just select the photos you want to send, then click on share. Here, instead of selecting WhatsApp or Telegram to share your pictures, you can click on quick share and then choose copy link. What it does is it uploads the file to cloud, then it will generate a link and give it to you. You can then copy the link and share it to your friends. By using this method, they can directly download the pictures without compromising on quality. So next time when you want to share files to someone, just make use of this amazing feature. So that's pretty much it for this video. These are some amazing and useful hidden features for your Samsung phone. If you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android and I will see you guys in the next one.